How to use throwable items. When the horde gets too thick for your mere weapon, it's time to bring out the heavy hitters. Mastering throwables like grenades and molotovs is essential for crowd control. This guide will help you perfect your PC aiming and timing to ensure every explosion counts. On PC, simply pressing your throwable hotkey usually equips the item, but holding the left mouse button is what brings up your aiming arc. Pay close attention to the trajectory line. The point where the arc turns red is exactly where the item will impact. For molotovs, aim for the ground slightly in front of the lead zombie to create a firewall that the rest of the horde must walk through. Unlike bullets, throwables are affected by physics and can bounce off walls or door frames. If you're using frag grenades, you can cook them by holding the throw button for a few seconds before releasing, ensuring they explode the moment they reach the target. Fire and steel are your best friends in Apocalypse. Practice your arc and start clearing those streets. Like and subscribe for more tactical combat tips.